How to change Netflix reason. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to download VPN app on your device. For that, head over to your Play Store or App Store. In the storage box, type in the app name VPN and then search for it. With that, different options will appear. Navigate to this one app, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, download it, then launch it. Click on Accept and Continue. If you want to get notifications, you can click on Allow. If you don't want to get the notifications, click on Don't Allow. Click on Proceed with Ads. Click on Continue. Click on Ask App Not to Track. Now click on this icon to be connected to any of the server. Click on Allow. Now enter your phone's passcode over here. Now over here you're gonna find tons of server options. Go ahead and select the one that you wanna set for your Netflix. After you set it, you can close this, launch your Netflix app, then log into your account and use it. So this way you can easily change Netflix reason. As if right now using VPN, you can easily change your Netflix reason, as within Netflix you won't find the option to change the reason. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.